Everyone, Randy from LionDesk, and one of the most common things that people ask us is, when should I send emails? What are the best times and the best days to actually send my emails out to potential customers, prospects, past leads, etc. And there's a lot of studies out there that show a lot of different things, and I was able to take a deeper dive. I looked into some of the statistics that we got from MailChimp, from SendGrid, and as well as a lot of the data that we were able to gather from actual customers. And the research actually shows the best days to send emails are actually on Tuesday, then followed up by Thursday, and then followed up by Wednesday. And if you think about this for yourself for just a second, right? Monday, everybody's trying to get back to work, back to the grind. There's a lot of things that they're doing, so new emails, typically have a lot lower response rate on Mondays than if you were to send them on Tuesday. Tuesday, everybody's back at it. They've cleared out their inbox from the weekend. They got through their to-do list, and they're kind of on to new business. So Tuesdays are certainly a day in which we think, and statistics actually show, are some of the best days to actually send emails. What are the best times? Well, the best times are typically 10 a.m., 8 p.m., and 2 p.m. And again, thinking about this, about how you guys are interacting on a daily basis, when we first get to the office, the first thing that we do is we clear out all the stuff in our inbox. So by delivering emails after 9 o'clock, closer to 10, is a much better time to actually get those emails read, right? Because it's more important. 8 p.m. on the other hand is kind of a different situation. We've gotten home, we've gotten the kids or the family to rest, we've made dinner, we're sitting down, we're about to chill out, and we just, that little bit of workaholic in us, we open up that email one more time and take a better look at what's going on, or we check that email. And a quick hack is we always recommend sending the emails on the 15. So instead of 8, sending it at 8:15 or 8:45, right? Therefore, it doesn't look necessarily like it's automatic. So those are my tips for you on sending emails, and I hope you enjoyed them and definitely put them to work.